Fresh, vibrant, and bursting with sweet and savory flavors, this peach salsa is a quick and refreshing dip that's perfect for summer snacking, entertaining, or topping your favorite dishes. It's vegan, gluten free, and comes together in minutes. Add finely chopped red onions to a bowl, followed by chopped bell peppers and cherry tomatoes. Dice ripe peaches and add them in. Mix in chopped basil, cilantro, jalapeno, minced garlic, cumin powder, and salt. Whisk olive oil, lemon juice, and vegan honey to make a dressing. Pour it over the salsa and toss it gently. Then fold in a chopped avocado, taste, and adjust the seasoning. Finish it with a drizzle of balsamic glaze and serve. I like to make it fresh and serve it immediately with chips, crackers, or as a topping for tacos, salads, or grilled dishes. Save this recipe and give it a try. Don't forget to hit follow for more such recipes.